Hello my friends, this is Atif and you're watching my channel where I'm posting the trading ideas on cryptocurrencies, forex, stocks and on different assets and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos, and do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. Today I have shortlisted some altcoins for day trading charts for you guys, and these trades are very strong but valid for next 24 to 48 hours because these are the day trading ideas. I would suggest you guys to not to invest in one asset, always diversify and make pieces of your investment and invest in different coins. And always try to use your own set of indicators and your strategies before taking a long position. Most of the assets I am sharing here are available on Binance crypto exchange with massive trading volume. So if you don't have an account on Binance, then I would suggest you to create your account using the referral link I am sharing in the video's description. So let's start with the first trade, and the first trade is MTL Bitcoin chart. And I've just published this chart a few moments ago, and this is based on 2-hour chart, and on this chart you can see the price action is moving within a wedge and hitting the support of this wedge, and after hitting the support of this wedge, the MACD is turning weak bearish from strong bearish, and the stochastic has given bull cross, and the RSI is also in the oversold zone. You can see the RSI is in oversold zone. And the price action is also hitting the 100 simple moving average support and likely to fail in breaking down this support, and the volume profile is showing very low interest of the traders below this support. So this time the price action will move up, and I have used the Fibonacci sequence from the tail of this wedge up to the support of this wedge, and you can set your sell targets from 0.382 to 88 to 786 Fibonacci. You can also find these targets in the chart description. I am also sharing the link of Tradingview in my video's description. You can find the link there, and after clicking on the link, if you don't have account on the Tradingview, I would suggest you to create the account, or otherwise without creating account you can also visit my profile from there, and you can find all the charts which I have shared on the Tradingview. Now let's move to the next trade, and that is PHB or PHX, the former PHX Bitcoin Trade. And on this chart, the price action has bit changed its movement, and now it is moving within a short pattern, and you can see the price action is entered in the potential reversal zone, and after entering in the potential reversal zone, the MACD is turned weak bearish. The stochastic is also oversold. For a secure trade, you can wait for the stochastic, otherwise the MACD is turning bullish. So I think this is the time to enter or taking the long position of this trade. And these are my buying and sell targets I have shared in the description, and you can also find these targets on the pattern. And this trade is very short term, having potential of profit up to 25%. Now let's move to next chart, and after this the chart is DLT Bitcoin chart, and this is also a 2-hour chart. And in this idea you can see the price action first formed a shark pattern, and after forming the shark pattern, the price action now has formed a bullish bad pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. So far the MACD is strong bearish, and stochastic is also oversold but did not give any bull cross so far. For secure trade, we can wait for the MACD to turn weak bearish, or we can also wait for the stochastic to give any bull cross, and then we can take the long position or buy. And these are the targets you can see on the chart and also in the chart description. This is my buying range, and these are the sell targets. Now let's move to the next chart and next coin, and that is COS Bitcoin chart, the COS Bitcoin chart. And on this chart you can see the price action has completed the formation of bullish gardlet pattern. This trade has a capacity up to 20% profit, and you can see the MACD is still strong bearish, and the stochastic is oversold. So for secure trade, like in my previous chart, I would suggest you to wait for the MACD to turn weak bearish and for the stochastic to give any bull cross from this oversold zone, then you should buy. And these are my targets. You can also find these targets in the description. And when you'll visit my profile page in the chart I've published, you can very clearly see these targets over there. So now let's move to the next chart. And my next suggested trade is this DOCK Bitcoin chart, the DOGE Bitcoin chart. And here you can see the price action has completed the formation of bullish bad pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. And also in this trade, we can wait for the MACD and stochastic. When they will be turning bullish, then we can take the long position or buy. And these are my targets I have mentioned in the description, and also you can find these targets on this chart. Now let's move to the next chart I would suggest you for today's day trading, and that is TNT Bitcoin chart. And on this chart you can see the price action has found a firm support almost at 616 satoshis. But when I'll play the chart, then you can see the price action tried hard to break this support but could not break this support so far, and now it is gearing up. The stochastic has given bull cross. So far the MACD is strong bearish, so you can wait for the MACD, or I think this bull cross of stochastic is sufficient to enter in this trade. Now let's move to my next trade, and that will be, I will suggest you, that is GO Bitcoin chart, the Go Bitcoin chart. And here you can see the price action has almost completed the formation of bullish bad pattern and entered in the potential reversal zone. And guys, do remember my potential reversal zone of every trade is also a stop loss point. If a complete price action will be closed below this potential reversal zone, or a complete candlestick will be closed below this potential reversal zone, then you should take exit from the trade. And these are the targets I have mentioned in the description, you can find here. So this is another idea which can give you a very good profit within 24 to 48 hours. Now let's move to my next suggested trade, and that is WePower Bitcoin Trade. And on this chart you can see the price action has formed a complete garlic pattern, and you can see the price action is entered in the potential reversal zone. So this can be also another very firm and strong chart which can give you a good profit, and these are the targets you can see in the description. Now let's move to my last chart which I have shortlisted for you, and that is DNT Bitcoin chart, and this is also based on 2-hour time period chart. And here you can see the price action has almost completed the formation of bullish crab pattern, just hit the spike within the potential reversal zone. Soon it will be entered completely in the potential reversal zone. And you can find these are my buying targets and these are my sell targets. You can also find these targets in the description, and these are the targets. So this can be another very good short-term trade for you guys. So these were my today's altcoin trade for you guys I have shortlisted, and you can take the benefit from these ideas to gain the profits in minimum time period. But never ever forget to take exit on stop loss, cause market is extremely volatile, and if you would not take the exit after when the stop loss is triggered, then you can get stuck for a long time in one trade. Thank you so much for watching the complete video, guys. I'll be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. Till then, goodbye.